Hi, do you have a tractor that needs servicing or to be repaired? I can help you with that. I'm Will Webster with Tractor Repair San Diego. We are professional, affordable, and reliable. Enjoy this video, then afterwards reach out to me to see how I can help. I got a call that the PTO, or the PTO actually wasn't rotating. You would pull the switch here, and the light came on the dash, but it was not engaging. So what I did was I'd already completed the job, and you can see I drained. Didn't drain all of the hydraulic fluid out, but that's about as much as hydraulic fluid I drained out. And what I did was I removed these lines, the line in the back, and then the two switches up here, the two solenoids. Plugged it here, and sorry about that, I'm losing my camera. And then removed this plate here, and then the hydraulic fluid just flowed out, and while I was repairing it, I just let the hydraulic fluid continue to flow out, and then at the rate of flow, it wasn't enough to overflow into these pans here. So got it out, got the solenoid out, and I found out that the PTO solenoid was actually stuck. So what I did was, because a little rust in there, I cleaned it out, cleaned out the electric, checked the electric part first, make sure it had electricity going to it, no fuses were blowing, got that taken care of, unstuck the solenoid, cleaned it up really good, and I was cleaning up both of them actually, and I was confident that it would work, so I didn't have to go out and buy a new one. Reinstall this entire system, started the tractor up, pull the PTO switch to engage the PTO, and lo and behold, voila, it is definitely working. So anyway, that was a quick down and dirty on the repair of this John Deere 4410. I have the bucket all the way down on the ground. I've hooked the hydraulic hose back into its place, and now I'm going to get them on board, start it up, and let's see if we can't operate the boom on this tractor. Thank you. Bye. I'm Will Webster with Tractor Repair San Diego. Reach out to me to see how I can help.